When I was younger yesterday, things were simple, things were safe. I never dreamed that I could see a better life for you and me. Everyone told me to stay. I held my breath, I made the leap, opened a door I'd never seen. I took a chance, I made it through. Now everything is coming true, and this is what it's like to be out of my shell, just like a pearl, moving is rare, light up the world, right in the swell, still that same girl, making things better, 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 light up the world. Changing colors, making waves, something new in every day. Wide awake, I live the dream, beneath the stars, under the sea. And now the current carries me out of my shell, just like a pearl, moving is rare, light up the world, right in the swell, still that same girl, making things better, 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 light up the world. You know, make it your home, come home, light up the world, and feel the glow. When I was younger yesterday,